hey, let me show you one big issue that actually appears in my HUAWEI Watch Fit 3. So as you know, in this device we can find the NFC, and when I go into the settings, open the more connections, open the NFC, and open this default payment app, the HUAWEI wallet, my device will actually turns off. So first the screen will actually goes black like this, and now as you can see nothing is working anymore, and after a few moments the device will be turned on. But yeah, this is actually the issue with this NFC and the payment application. So currently I even cannot add my card because I believe that after opening the settings right here, yeah, that's what I mean, this one. So after clicking here, we will be probably able to actually change the default payment app or add our cards. But currently it's actually not working, and we also cannot find it in the Huawei Health application. So yeah, I'm just using this device for a few days, and I just want to show you that there's actually some kind of the issue with this NFC and the payment. Yeah, that's all for this video, and you can tell me something in the comments if you know more about this payment issue on the Huawei Watch Fit 3.